Hello, everyone. This is another episode of Stocks You Should Know. Today, we're going to cover Stryker. It's one of those companies where it's great to know about their products, but hopefully you never have to use any of those products. Think of everything from hospital beds to implants for joint replacement. This company has a wide breadth of products and services that it offers. Before we get into it, always remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel so that you can get more insight on stocks that you should know when they come out. All right, let's jump into it. Stryker Corporation is a leading medical technology company that specializes in innovative products and services in orthopedics, medical and surgical equipment, neurotechnology, and spine solutions. The company's product portfolio includes implants used in joint replacement and trauma surgeries, surgical equipment, neurosurgical and neurovascular devices, and a wide array of other medical device products. Stryker has consistently focused on innovation and has a strong track record of developing new technologies and acquiring companies to expand its product offerings. The company invests heavily in research and development to maintain its competitive edge in the rapidly evolving medical technology field. In recent years, Stryker has been expanding its digital health capabilities, including robotics, navigation systems, and AI-powered tools to enhance surgical precision and patient outcomes. The company is even focusing on sustainability and improving the environmental impact of its operations. As with all the companies we cover on Stocks You Should Know, we highly encourage you to go to Stryker.com or whatever website we're covering for that company. You'll find the lines of products and services that Stryker offers is impressive. I have friends in the industry, nurses, doctors, that work in the field. And if you've ever been to a healthcare conference, Stryker has so much money in research and promotion of what they do. They tend to have one of the biggest exhibition booths at every healthcare conference that you can go to. So definitely take a look at their website, www.stryker.com. You may have heard of Kalamazoo. Kalamazoo is in Michigan, and this is home of Stryker, founded in 1941 by Dr. Homer Stryker. Stryker currently trades on the New York Stock Exchange, NYSE. It started in 1979. They're under the ticker symbol SYK. So this is a great chart of a stock you want to own for the long term, one that we like in terms of steady growth in the stock price, and you'll see why that is on a couple of slides here. But this snapshot was from September 6, 2024 at a trading price of around $358 per share. I think currently right now the stock is trading around $351 a share. So it's had a slight pullback, but it's still in that 350 range. But you can see going back 5 years, it's just steady and consistent growth in the stock price. Now, part of the reason for that steady, consistent growth in stock price comes down to the free cash flow. And you can see that's been steadily rising over time. Again, they have really good margins on some of their products and services, and it looks like they'll continue to do so for the future. Their dividend growth, along with their stock price, has also been very steady. They are not a dividend king or an aristocrat, but again, they've had steady returns. You can see in certain years they just plateau. But again, I think the next dividend that they're going to be paying out is projected in October, and it's about 80 cents per share at that 351 or so price right now. Ex-dividend date just passed at September 30th, 2024. So let's cover a little bit more about the major products and services that Stryker owns and operates in their enterprise. Orthopedic implants and accessories is a big business for them. This will continue. We have an aging population. We have people living a lot longer. The joints can only go but so far, so knees and hips. I expect that there'll be a lot of candidates for this type of procedure and surgeries in the future, and Stryker is squarely in that space. Stryker also manufactures surgical equipment and surgical navigation systems. So when you're inside the body trying to operate very close quarters, as they say, and so they make a lot of those navigation systems so that doctors can kind of see what they're operating on or cutting on inside the human body. A lot of the delicate instrumentation that they make obviously is perfect for neurotechnology and spine products, so they also play in that space. Endoscopic and communication systems are also products that they make. As we started this video, we mentioned, going to the hospital and seeing the patient beds in the patient room. So this is probably what most people know Stryker for. If you've ever looked at the branding on the side of the bed, Stryker makes a lot of these patient handling and emergency medical equipment. More recently, robotics is being used in surgeries, and so robotics-assisted surgery platforms, Mako robotic arm-assisted surgery, that falls into Stryker's camp as well. So if all the work that Stryker does in the patient, whether it's surgery, patient handling, obviously there's a lot of private data, personal information being handled, so it only makes sense that they play in the digital healthcare solution space as well. Just to re-emphasize some of their work in hip replacement, joint replacement, in 2019, Stryker entered into a partnership with Conformis, a medical technology company providing patient-specific instrumentation for use with Stryker's Triathlon Total Knee System. This collaboration aimed to combine Conformis's imaging and design expertise with Stryker's implant technology to offer more personalized solutions for knee replacement surgeries. So to summarize, why do we think Stryker is a stock you should know? Market leadership. Stryker is a leader in the medical technology industry with a strong presence in orthopedics and medical and surgical equipment. They are heavily focused on innovation. The company consistently invests in R&D and has a track record of introducing innovative products, particularly in the robotics-assisted surgery space. The aging population that we mentioned before. With an aging global population, demand for Stryker's orthopedic and medical products is likely to increase. Stryker continues to maintain a diversified portfolio with products across different medical fields, providing stability and multiple growth avenues. As you saw earlier on the free cash flow chart, they are consistently generating revenue growth and profitability. And lastly, strategic acquisitions, right? Stryker is a company that has a history of successful acquisitions to expand its product offerings and market reach. So if they can't build it, they'll find the leaders in a particular medical field space and they will acquire that company. They have the budget, the resources to do that. We hope you liked this video. We hope you think Stryker is also a stock you should know. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hope to see you next time on Stocks You Should Know.